Have you ever wondered how to save time and money while eating healthier? Enter the game changer, meal planning. It not only economizes your resources, but also fosters healthy eating and home cooking while reducing stress. Remember, flexibility is key in this process. Meal planning is the secret to a stress-free, healthy, and budget-friendly lifestyle. So how do you start meal planning? It all begins with your schedule. Consider your work hours, busy days, and social commitments when planning your meals. Mix up your week with simple, quick dishes and some more complex ones. Remember, not every meal needs to be a gourmet masterpiece. Balance is key. Next, it's time to take inventory and consider batch cooking. Peek into your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Use what you have on hand to plan meals, reducing waste. Double up on dishes and freeze portions for future meals. With batch cooking and smart use of leftovers, you'll save both time and money. Meal planning can be a family affair. Get your loved ones involved, assign tasks, let kids pick a meal, or have a cook-off. It's a great way to bond and share responsibilities. Thank you for taking the time to learn about meal planning. Remember, it's not just about saving money and eating healthy, it's about enjoying the process too.